Here at Simply Garden, with over 50 years of gardening experience, I believe in keeping things simple and productive while gardening in your own backyard. Well, we're ready to plant some Brussels sprouts, which did start from seed indoors, probably sometime early March, and they're pretty good size. I'd like to see them a little bigger, but this year's just been one of those years where the plants haven't been getting quite as big. The weather didn't quite cooperate. A lot of this is done indoors. You try hard enough, all of a sudden you get some cool nights and you get left outside, and probably slows them down a little bit. But anyways, I decided to plant these I had a cold frame here a couple of weeks ago. Lettuce is wrapping up, and I'm going to go ahead and plant the Brussels sprouts in between this. As this wraps up, we'll pull it out. I can keep this space open right here so I can plant in my some broccoli and red and green cabbage and some lettuce with my little wire hoops. I'll show you that in another video coming up here. But, so I'm pretty much going to space these guys out about 18 inches. Sorry for the wind noise. For about 20 inches apart. That gives them plenty of room to grow out. Brussels sprouts are pretty heavy feeders. They like a lot of nitrogen, so organically I do try to give them some blood meal about 3-4 times throughout the year, and that seemed to be a trick as far as getting them to come up quite well. Of course, give them a lot of fish emulsion too. So we'll go ahead and give it some little boost of some of the lime to help it keep from getting that club root, which is basically a thickening of the stem right above where the root meets the stem, and you get a little bit of a, I don't call it calcification, but what happens is the roots don't form properly. It gets, oh, a second, go a little further here. Here we go. You don't end up. It's like a kink, I guess they call it. And what happens then is your plants don't form properly. Nutrients get cut off, and then it wilts because it can't get the nutrients down to from the root up to the leaves. Here we go. All right. So I'm going to just mix in a little bit here. Start putting these things in, and as soon as I have a couple of them together, so we'll just break these apart gently and put in their own little spot here. Here we go. Brussels sprouts to grow pretty much the same depth they're growing at, unlike broccoli where they make nice roots along the edge. Yes, that's in the shade there, but this lettuce is going to be picked pretty soon, and there'll be plenty of room for it to grow right up. A few days of shade is fine. I'll probably pick this tonight later on. Get that out of the way. And we'll put the cutworm collars on there again also. We'll break these guys apart gently. There we go. Even the straw in is fine. The straw's not going to hurt the plants any. It doesn't have to be, the straw will rot down very nicely in a couple of weeks, so it'll be gone. A little extra guy there just in case one of these don't make it. I'll keep that one there, and I'll dig it out later on as it gets larger. Alright. Alright, give a nice little quick drink of water. Also just show you the cutworm collars real quick in case you haven't seen these before. Basically all is just taking shirt boxes or gift boxes that you get, the wife doesn't want anymore, if you don't need, and just cut them to an 1.5 inch strip, you know, 8 inches long. They're probably a little longer than they need to be. The idea here is to keep them down around here, the plant, so that way the cutworms can't crawl over top, and then cut the plant right off. Then you lose your plant, and it's a sad day. I just score them with a razor blade. I don't go all the way through. They just, that way it comes through nice with the cutter. Just rip off as you need them. Got one hiding in here. Also helps, I think, shade the plants a little bit too from the extreme heat. Yes, this last plant will be gone tonight, so it gets a little too much shade in there. There she is. Push it around like that. Nice and simple, nothing too fussy. I find it's best don't put off putting the cutworm collars if you have that problem in your area, because they will come rolling it, and the next they find them so quickly. I don't know. I'm gonna send the word out to everybody. Fresh greens to grab. And I haven't seen too many this year. Some years are worse than others. I know some people use popsicle sticks next to it, but if your popsicle stick moves, guess what? The cutworm gets right in and wraps around the plant, and it's done. Alright, give a nice drink of fish emulsion. Get it so warm, I'll give these guys all another water drink tomorrow morning, so I don't stress out too much there.